Hey everyone, hope your week is rolling along smoothly. Quick heads up, the donation wallet is in the description if you want to support the channel and the projects we cover. Today's stories are stirring the pot in all the right ways. First up, Bob might be making its way into caffeine AI, and if that happens, it's not just another meme moment. It's a serious upgrade in utility. Then we check in on the SNS scene where liquidity is finally getting some proper engineering love. And to round it out, there is a new testing tool that's about to make Rust devs on ICP a lot less grumpy. Let's get into it. The rumor mill is buzzing. The Bob token might be heading straight into the heart of Caffeine AI, one of the most talked about tools in the AI on chain world. It all started with a subtle post on X by Bob.fun, replying to Caffeine co founder Dominic Williams. Williams mentioned new special case systems being added to Caffeine via its RAG database, that is short for Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is a technique that lets AI models pull in real time external data for more relevant answers. The interesting part is Williams never mentioned Bob directly. But Bob.fun's calm reply sounds like Bob will be integrated into Caffeine AI, got the community talking. No hype, no GIF storm, just a quiet heads up one. Behind the scenes, developers from the ICP community have been discussing this kind of integration for months. The idea is to pair tokenized apps like Bob with smarter AI tools. Caffeine is a perfect candidate. It's modular, lean, and built for decentralized deployments. Why does this matter? Well, AWS research this year showed that LLMs using external knowledge retrieval can boost output accuracy by 30%. Caffeine's approach is transparent and customizable, letting developers feed in app-specific content like Bob's documentation, DAO proposals, and tokenomics. So the AI can answer user questions in real time. If this integration happens, anyone could ask about Bob's staking mechanics, governance decisions, or the latest DAO votes and get up-to-date answers. For a meme token trying to carve out real utility, this could be a game changer. There is also a bigger conversation about fairness in token distribution. The Bob community has debated dynamic block time adjustments to keep staking and rewards fair. Caffeine's analytics could help monitor or even enforce these rules. Caffeine isn't just an AI chatbot. It's a productivity interface built for the internet computer using smart contracts to handle LLM interactions and store memory without relying on Google or OpenAI. It's RAG engine bridges, canisters, and AI, letting projects like Bob keep their governance and community info fresh and accessible. While the integration isn't confirmed yet, the direction is clear. Caffeine is becoming the AI portal for ICP projects, and Bob is looking for ways to make governance easier and more engaging. If this experiment works, it could set a new standard for how tokens, DAOs, and AI tools work together on Chain One. Next up, liquidity is finally getting the attention it deserves in the SNS ecosystem. For too long, projects launching with SNS have struggled with what happens after their tokens go live. Too often, tokens just sit idle, unlisted on DEXs, or painfully illiquid. That's changing with Icto's upcoming V2 release and its new liquidity pool extension. This tool plugs directly into SNS treasuries and automates what used to be a clunky, error-prone process. And it's not an optional add-on, it's becoming a core part of SNS 2.0. Here is how it works. Instead of manually approving treasury transfers for each DEX, SNS DAOs will use a purpose-built canister for each exchange. Each extension uses the same API, so users only have to learn one system. Whether you are allocating liquidity to Helix, ICP Swap, or another DEX, the process is unified and streamlined. The extension delivers four main features. Firstly, deposits, which will allocate SNS and ICP tokens to DEXs during or after the launch. Secondly, observability, full audit trail for every transaction. Then comes efficiency. Unused tokens are automatically returned to the treasury. Then withdrawals, liquidity can be pulled back with a proposal. This shift means liquidity becomes a first-class citizen in the SNS launch process. Projects will have to think about market function from day one, not as an afterthought. The result will be better price discovery, easier trading, and a healthier perception of project viability. ICTO is already prepping a testnet to showcase and fine tune the extension, inviting community feedback before finalizing the design. If successful, this could become the new standard for all SNS launches, making post swap paralysis a thing of the past one. Finally, let's talk about developers. A new tool called IC Mockery has quietly landed for those building smart services in Rust on the internet computer. Its mission is make testing easier, not harder. IC Mockery lets developers test their code before it goes live without rewriting or reshaping it just for testing. You write your logic once, add a simple tag, and you are ready to see how your code behaves in different scenarios. It's especially useful for services that need to handle multiple tasks at once, like waiting for replies, managing errors, and processing user input. IC Mockery helps simulate both successful outcomes and mistakes so developers can be confident their code works as expected. The magic happens with a small label, a node developers add to their code. IC Mockery then creates pretend versions of each function for testing, leaving the original code untouched. It works closely with Pocket IC, a popular testing environment, to make simulations feel as real as possible. The bottom line, IC Mockery lowers the barrier for robust testing on the internet computer, making life easier for Rust developers and helping projects ship faster and safer. That's it for today's roundup. If you found these stories useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates from the world of decentralized tech. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about AI powered governance, better liquidity, or new dev tools? Let me know. See you in the next video.